Today I will introduce another very powerful and important AI tool in UniFab AI. It is UniFab Smoother AI. Smoother AI can generate realistic intermediate frames through frame interpolation. Convert low FPS videos to higher frame rates, such as from 30 to 60 to 90 and then to 120. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use UniFab Smoother AI to increase FPS and provide smooth video and slow motion. Download the software for free using the link in the description box below and launch it on your computer. The first step in entering the software is to import the video. UniFab has made a detailed introduction here. You can directly drag and drop the video into the software. Or you can click the mouse to import the video. The second step is to adjust the video parameters in preview. You can rename the video here, and you can also see the format, frame rate, duration, and file size of the imported video. You can adjust the crop and audio of the video here. There are many functions for you to customize your video. Next, set the video parameters. You can change the video format and select the output frame rate. Enter settings. You can adjust the bit rate to change the quality. And you can also select the output mode you want. There is also a subtitle setting below. Okay, then you can preview it according to your needs. Finally, export the video. You can choose the location you want to export it to and click Start. We can see that UniFab's export speed is very fast. Let's see how it works. We can clearly see that the video becomes smoother after UniFab Smoother AI, and the frame rate of the video is significantly improved. The effect of UniFab is very good. Through the effect display, speed, and operation, you can see that UniFab is very powerful. We are very happy to invite you to use UniFab Smoother AI. You can download our software for free, and it includes a free trial after downloading. If you feel it is good, UniFab Smoother AI is currently on sale, with a lifetime price at $139.99. Come and subscribe. We not only have smooth AI, but also many other powerful AI functions. The price of all-in-one is also on sale. Lifetime is priced at $349.99. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more AI tools and more useful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.